That looks a lot better. So let me just pop in here, get that to go up.
We don't think at the same time.
Okay, so now we need to get back to building some robots. So let's go do that. I have no clue whether the audio works or not.
So let me screw it.
We drilled the hole.
Oh, yeah, we drew.
For what? It's supposed to be multiple holes.
You marked it.
It's supposed to be multiple holes.
I got
What are we doing? No. Okay, let me just. Do we have this at the end of the? Is it steel?
What?
Do we have this at the end of the board? Like, do we have this?
No, you gotta look at the CAD, man.
The plate attaches. Yeah, that lines up there. I'll get the CAD to show you where the other holes go. You guys also have access to the CAD. It's on display.
Yeah, you like talking to them. The other hole is attached to the plate, right? The other hole is attached to the plate, yes? There's two holes.
These two, and then this guy has to go through as well, right? Because this hole,
Okay, and then this bottom one?
nothing in that one.
Now, question, which one goes through? No?
So the farthest one goes through. I would do this all with a bolt in that hole, just so
Yeah,
you
we'll
know
do
they're
it.
lined up.
Is there number 10? Look at the long.
Yeah, and then that big hole is gonna get drilled through as well, because there's a bolt attaching through there. See this one? So it's this hole, and the last hole. So you're only skipping this hole. Yep. You guys good for a few minutes? Also, this hole is for a 1/4-20. So you'll want to drill slightly bigger. Yes. Oh, good not morning. Evening.
Good morning.
I've been here a bit too long. Yeah. Hey, he's in the corner.
Nice to see you again. We're live right now on YouTube.
Can you hear us?
I don't know, so we're gonna pretend like yes.
Actually, how would it?
I would like you to check.
Someone wants to go on YouTube and then check?
That's what he's doing.
This is called 9062 CIC. So
Sure, just look up 9062. I put enough hashtags in there.
What do you think about?
Well, I'm just checking this out. Sorry.
I'm just trying to be graceful and not.
We can.
Great, we can pick up some audio. No, don't walk towards
It's
it.
so delayed.
Oh, no.
I just paused it as if that would stop me from walking. It worked on here.
Alright,
I was
So we
doing
made
math.
Okay, cool.
All right, so we're building a disc shooter. Have you checked the Discord recently?
Kind of, I don't.
Okay,
that was
so
really-
how about we go out here and watch the reveal?
Wait,
I'll pull it up on my phone. Now,
so we have to do this, this way. Let's go. Good girl.
I don't know my password for this. I don't have it on my computer.
hey, watch.
Let's don't get confused with this.
Okay. So that should work. Yeah. So I don't know if I just said, obvious, I said, well, I guess we'll find out. But hey, here's what we're hoping to do. These are just literal line equations. Like if you made this.
That was very much information.
You can shoot this part if you want.
You do not shoot.
Try to get it. You shoot uninterested. You want to do that.
Give me a second.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Robots Done Quick. This is the first time that we're trying this out, so I apologize for the tech difficulties. We're over in the other room currently machining some stuff for the ring launcher for this year's game Crescendo. So we've got a robot that is just off screen over here, and we've got some parts over here from the kit bot. We will be continuing to upgrade our drive base from the previous year. It's the exact same Andy Mark version 5 kit that you're probably used to seeing in game reveals and stuff like that. Only this time we have to try and make it launch a ring.
We're still on. What? I need to get it. Oh, Jack is on?
Did you just get
Hi, Jack.
Five his RDQ, his brain development, yeah.
No, okay, I'll argue that. Whose laptop's on the floor?
Okay, let's swap with this motor controller. What's that doing there?
Why is it on the ground?
I have no idea.
No, cause like during the break wasn't even open. So you guys were like breaking. So I've only just been doing like push-ups and marathon. Like I was saying. Yeah, so like right now it's just like oh, like it makes sense. This is the same thing. Yeah, like I really
it's
like right now. Like
all of these terms make sense, right?
I don't know how we.
This is tan A, and A is the angle of the shooter, so, you know, as you make the angle bigger, it's going to go more vertical, right? That makes sense.
Yeah, no, cause like
If
I have like.
gravity is
I
bigger,
have like this.
it's going to go down quicker because of the
So
line.
like okay, so I can use this time, this time.
It's squared, it's acceleration is squared, plus H, you increase H. Okay, go. It's like, it's just super alpha. It's just the first point is before you normal your alpha. Like, this isn't a very.
But I think I understand most of it.
So the primary part is we're building the recommended kit bot, which is 2 standard sim motors with wheels directly attached to them that are at the right angle that you drive up to the human feed station. The ring goes in, you aim, you fire at the same angle. So we're building that right now. We're going to try and finish that by tomorrow. The entire robot. Well, that's where Sheree comes in, because he knows what he's doing.
Oh.
I was just the one who drove the parts.
Come on, you. So what are we doing? Oh, we're,
This is a university level. Are you okay with that? No, it's green, but like, yeah. Okay.
no, it's audio.
Like this stuff's not hard.
I think that's audio out of this way.
It looks vaguely. No, really, honestly, I'm not.
And now we're moving to, I guess.
I wrote a 1 instead of 0 for this. This is supposed to say 1.
It caught the exact moment I walked into the wall, too.
Great. Where is that? Where are the wings?
I don't know.
Where's the ring?
This is the ring. It's like a stress ball. It's kind of fun.
Oh yeah, I have like one of like the game cubes from the last season just like on like my shelf.
I like that you call it a GameCube, because that's totally what it is. Like a Nintendo.
Oh.
Oh, sweet, we got more of these. We need more batteries. Now we can name one, maybe it taught us. Who else graduated recently? We already named one after Chad.
Like I've already had like a bunch of batteries. Where's like
We have a ton of batteries in the back. And I think one of them has your name on it. I think we named the battery after you.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to see the battery that we named after you? Okay, so how about you explain to the camera what we're working on? Oh, or you can explain to this camera what you're working on. Or both.
I can do both.
Let's do both. I'll stand over here so it looks similar.
So now we are drilling out the holes for for connecting an extrusion to this, and we'll get back to you very soon.
Real professional.
The walk of shame.
No.
That's not a walk of shame, that's the saunter of solidarity. I don't let alumni. Otherwise, you would be right on. He hasn't landed. He went back to Brazil.
我都问一下，本来是开的，但不小心开下去了，所以说。
又下雪了啊？Is it snowing outside?
No idea. Where did our wheels go with the motor?
I don't know.
You guys would have been.
Me on the buses.
That would be extra for coming back.
Okay, so the stream does have audio. Good news is, he can't hear anything out here that. Yeah, because Jack is the only one watching, he's probably just giggling.
Oh, should I talk to him?
Probably.
Oh, exactly. Then I can practice my easy.
No, because.
Hey, Jack.
No, I will practice like.
Okay, yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now
No,
I'm.
just Jack. And maybe.
Hey, Jack, the camera is there.
Yes, I can't look at both. This is too confusing for my
Look there.
old man brain.
Oh, Jack. Come on, why don't you comment?
Jack?
I edit using the
Hola.
app, and that's it.
Who else is watching this?
I'm watching.
Oh, okay, but there's 3 viewers.
You're actually watching?
Yeah.
Who's the third?
Who's the third person?
If you're actually some random person and not from this team, nice to meet you. I'm Santiago. I don't think I can introduce them because of youth protection stuff.
Oh, I'm sure you're. The youth protection isn't.
Yeah, he's.
I'm not a
20.
youth. Yeah.
Oh, hello, Jack.
Jack, we miss you. Come on. Come back to us.
So if you continue working here, you don't need to show up, you don't need any extra points.
Do you know what size of boat you're
Do
using?
you have a multiple second?
No.
Okay.
Great.
How old are you? So you need a multiple second check, and then that's all the points.
The kid.
My home was a mentorship to grocery clerk.
要是我问你在干嘛？
Like anyone can mentor.
Yeah. See.
Oh, what?
You will understand.
No, I won't.
Mr. Wells.
I will never understand. They taught me French for 2 years.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
All I know is bonjour, je m'appelle Tyler, qu'est-ce que c'est tu? And to-
Wow, we sure are
and count to
speed
10.
building this, huh?
1.5.
This is supposed to be a speed run,
I
Tyler.
know.
We're going for a world record.
The issue is none of them want to open the cat up on their laptop, so every time they need a dimension, they ask me, and I go,
Because you're right there.
I wasn't right here, I've been in a different room for the past.
You were just saying hello to
There's enough
whoever
left.
was on.
1.5,
1.5? Oh.
because it's a 1-inch tube bigger than an 1/8-inch plate, so that makes sense.
So what part would you like to help with today? Would you like to do build, design, or I guess you could also work on like marking out using tape lines on the wall where we need to aim the shots.
Yeah.
I could do like the,
That way.
Okay.
like, I don't know how to design. I
Just
don't know.
make
Well,
it
there is a
stylish
design
for
already.
everything.
Okay.
So if you don't feel like participating in the build or just reading dimensions for them, we also need to figure out a way to transplant
I don't think.
what will be at the top half of the robot on this one.
Wait,
Because we're building it for this one, that's what the CAD's for. We want to turn it into being on that one, just upgrade it as like a version 2. So we want to be able to take whatever we build on top today and then copy and paste.
Well, one of the viewers
Like, you
left.
have to like make adjustments.
You strip that.
Yeah,
It's
so
like
I think it's skinny enough it'll fit, because I think it's like 18 inches wide and that's 24 inches wide.
The ratchets are all.
Like the top half of the structure goes in from the wheels, not out from the wheels, so it's like smaller than that one. But the question is like, what kind of brackets do we need to just sort of like zip tie it on?
Oh, yeah, that-
Test it
that's
out for a few matches and then figure out. what
Okay, so that would have been cross-threaded, so what happened there is here, press me the nut. That means
If I want to do that, that would be great.
You're at a
If you don't want
slight
to do that,
angle.
we'll probably
And
do
then
that.
it's harder to tell with the lock nuts, because it
And
always
I
takes a
think
bit of
Tony
time to
did that,
turn them,
or I
but
asked
it's
him to do that.
possible to destroy the threads. See how they're like ending.
Okay.
Like, I'm gonna just
Yeah,
like
it
follow the
happens.
instructions and go.
We'll just,
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna
how about
bridge
you
up this
hop in
one
here,
accidentally
work with
using the
Santiago, and make sure that these hooligans are on track.
Hey, I'm semi-responsible.
I didn't lump you in.
Oh, I'm used to being lumped into that.
No. This time I'm lumping the new guy in.
The you.
The new guy. Tyler's the new guy. You don't need to look around. You're not the new guy. Daniel, have you met Tolu before?
no, not.
Okay, Tolu's an alumni from our team. Daniel is taking over for Chak's position
Nice.
as the build lead.
Oh, now you have the cat, okay. If you want a mouse, I have a mouse if you want one.
Thank you very much. A lot of teacups. What's that?
Pick a number, 2 or 3.
That's okay. I just thought it was the string breaking.
2? Okay. There we go. You can connect the 3 computers at a time. I'm number 1.
Oh, I messed with you, okay.
No, wait.
No, that's not English.
That is English.
I was like, I thought
We
you
got
had 3 viewers.
This is gonna be
We had
fun.
3 and then someone left. And now
It says-
we're back.
We're back up to 3.
This is gonna be fun.
This is my mouse like blocked by your computer or something.
So for those of you wondering,
3 if you want.
who are we? We're Team 9062, Critical Circuits. We're a second-year robotics team based out of Hamilton, Canada. And right behind me here are some great volunteers from Team 9062 and the alumni base in the McMaster University catchment area. So behind me, we've got several mentors for the team, along with a couple of alumni and a couple of current students. Feel free to ask anything in the chat, and we'll do our best to get back in a timely manner. We're checking in pretty frequently on the chat to answer technical questions.
The whole placement could be better.
Interesting that they gave us an extra plate for the shooter wheels. Yeah,
So,
I wasn't expecting that. That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is the hardest part to make by far, so I can see.
Yeah, giving us a spare is nice. Unless we're missing the part in the CAD where we need a
Oh,
second
totally
one.
possible, yeah. We'll find out.
Holes for that.
Do you guys have that quarter 20 yet that passes through the tube? This guy here, there's a quarter 20, a spacer, and then it passes through the tube and the plate.
Yes, that is also with the what is it? Polycarb or whatever.
Yep.
I was gonna do that last.
Okay, no worries.
I just want to do the drilling and all of the hard stuff first, because the polycarb is,
Yeah, it's easy enough.
we might put a small chip in it, like, it's that.
Do we even need the top plate?
Yeah, it's,
Other than to sandwich it when intaking, is it like a necessary component? for the
well, if you
qualifier?
wanted to fly like this.
Okay, understandable, but it doesn't need to be structural, it just needs to be mostly decorative.
Yeah.
And then, like, retain its
You definitely put a sponsor plate on it and it would be like nice,
Yeah, it
but,
So some teams could probably get away with like 1 mil carbon fiber on there or something to make it look really professional.
Yeah.
And some people could get away with like, I don't know, 1.5 mil polycarbonate or something.
if we could just use a piece of wood.
The only thing I'd be worried
like,
about is,
yeah.
as long as
It's
it's.
a-
Actually, that really terrible piece of wood back there would be great to use up.
I don't
Yeah.
love it just because if it touches the top of the game piece. it's gonna be
Oh,
disgusting.
yeah, okay, I forgot about
That,
that.
that would be
No,
fine.
we've always put like tape.
You know what, let's do it properly.
Yeah,
Let's do it with the
have
plastic.
polycarbonate.
Okay.
So let's, the polycarb that's underneath the Republic gunship over there should work.
All right,
You probably
so-
did, it's from like 2015. There have been 4 different versions.
So you draw
Just marking and after mark and
I'm gonna take two balls. No.
more.
Did we make it wrong?
Yeah, it's mark. So you take a mark and then like cut to measure.
What?
So 12 here to here, 12 inch.
So
Yeah.
this, we drill this hole.
Yeah, so this hole, right?
We
That
have
hole.
a hole
and
right
this-
here.
What?
You need a hole over here. right?
That is, looks like it
Oh no,
It holds
18.25.
back.
Okay, leave that.
What are you guys trying to figure out?
That,
Pound.
yeah, this hole. That goes, just holds this.
You'll have to take off that nut eventually, but, you know.
For now, we can wait.
From another end, yeah, another end.
Usually,
2.5.
the
Oh, no,
plastic
4.5.
is always last, remember?
Yes, I agree. I
So,
will say the holes for that bracket are gonna be identical on both of
6.5.
the 28-inch pieces, so you should drill those both sometime.
who's the other 20?
Then
20.
8.5.
No, they're three.
So, they might be doing it.
Oh,
You guys have, you have the other 28-inch piece, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, so you guys, okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Is there anything else we can do easily on this? Is there any like, any bits that came in the kit that are easy to throw together or?
So,
More.
it's like,
What? We're at 8.5.
yes.
Then go
So just easy stuff to do.
9.
These holes here are identical on both pieces, right? So we might as well drill them together. So like once they've drilled theirs, we can just go off. We could start working on the plastic, but there's nothing better to do.
Yeah, we're gonna the.
Can you measure the top sheet, just to figure them out?
And you just check. So do you
Hopefully it
get
fits in here. If you push down on the mouse button, you should be able to orbit, or the middle mouse button. Oh, no. How do you orbit an object? Right click?
Right click,
Yeah.
yeah, right click.
Middle mouse button is the right way to click on stuff.
You need a mouse if you want to look at.
SolidWorks use like absolutely the most. They don't even bother putting trackpad options in there. Most softwares, there's a way to get around it. Just
Are you measuring
this
this piece?
Yeah.
Uh,
15.5.
Interesting.
14.067 inches.
No, that's in Z.
Yes, the Z
Okay, let
is
me
the top of this
make
one.
sure
is the bottom.
again. So we'll have
No,
to
you're not in the Z
check.
axis though. It's 17.
So from this end.
Oh,
Because this is at an
Yeah.
angle, right? If you looked at it from the side, the Z is a completely different thing.
4.5.
Orbit to the right, Z is that. So it's
6.5.
17.
Yeah.
9.54.
so
Yeah.
6.5. Yeah.
17. But the distance, the actual distance, not the components. Those are like
Oh,
vector
yeah,
components.
sorry.
Yeah.
9. Yeah.
So 17 inches. Yeah. And then check that it's a square or check the other side.
There should be like 26.5.
Like, there was 15.5.
yeah, it's,
Can you like go? Okay.
oh, yeah, let me just,
26.5? Yeah. 26.5. I'm so sorry. I'm really tired. I'm so sorry, Toby.
I'm not tired, I just can't.
You are
Who
tired.
is watching
You are
this?
tired. Check.
I know, apart from Shaq, who in their right mind just
27.5.
watches a bunch of
it's
like
18
teenagers?
inches.
18.
Okay, then we're done. We can drill this.
What, oh, 18 and a
But you
quarter.
didn't say
That
it was
is,
15.5.
no, that is a
Okay,
notable
yeah, that is
difference.
still-
Okay.
So,
And which way is it
make
longer?
sure every
Longer.
mark
It's
that we're
longer
drilling
left
is
and right.
center.
So like this.
So 18 and 17.
18.25.
Yeah, so maybe for every mark,
Sharpie.
yeah, go to the one over here.
You have those, they might need one of those for the.
Yeah, they won't.
Allison, for the holes that connect to this bracket, you might just want to mark them like through this so that they're lined up for sure.
Thank you.
Is it?
This is
16 is that right?
actually.
Okay.
That fits. Bandsaw, I guess. To cut this out.
Our bandsaw is.
Oh, yeah.
No, it works, but-
No. We have a portable one.
Yeah, but
Handle.
the throat on that is only
Oh, no,
like
the
this
handle
deep.
one.
How are you gonna cut this far with a portable bandsaw?
Or we use a jigsaw.
So, like it has a throat depth, right? The portable bandsaw comes in like this, and then you hit the back of it. It's meant for cutting pipe with like an inch.
Anyone want to do this?
3.
What
I
about
haven't
the
driven in a
jigsaw?
while, so like, this is the first one.
Okay.
It's not gonna be painful.
Alright.
No, we're not
Just-
taking.
I love that.
I'm gonna mark it, so can you assist her?
Death and destruction follows
So
you,
I'm gonna
man.
mark it out.
This angle grinder.
What is this
I've
for?
never had a guard on my.
That's
Between them?
for, my guess would be the back brace. Yeah,
The back one?
yeah, the back brace between left and right,
Okay, got
and
it.
the T's.
Okay, I'm gonna,
And that is, I don't think that is 22, it just says it.
Oh.
Same with this one, this is 24, but it's not. So double measure everything.
okay, this is like 16. 16 a little bit more.
Wait, how big do the holes need to be?
How big is the hole?
This is a 20.
Where you,
Yeah, this is-
what do you,
Yeah, it's the,
Yeah, how big?
how big is the hole?
for what?
For the 28-inch. How big are the holes?
Which holes? Each hole can fit about 10.
So wait, what is that?
Could you get
What is
the,
that? Or no,
It's like
what is the
the-
one that says 22?
It's the.
I'll show you, I will like report the bit on the.
Okay.
oh, sorry, could you get the dimensions of the bottom piece of polycarbonate? Because I want to check if it fits on this. I'm guessing it won't. So I guess just the longest dimension, because the width should be the same.
What do you want again?
The length of that bottom piece of polycarbonate, the bigger one, because I want to see if it'll fit on this sheet or if we have to find a bigger sheet.
Oh, okay. You're probably gonna need,
Should we add an intake on the kit board?
Kitbot will be, we'll be testing the intakes on Kitbot.
I can't believe 3 people are watching this.
Parallel, so it's 26.5.
Measuring tip, do you want to measure this quickly? 26.5?
Yeah, it's one way.
Doesn't fit. Yeah. And the width of that would be 18.25 again, yeah?
Yeah, it's the same as the last one.
A little too short.
We try looking in the window. Okay. If it's not there, we can use some plywood. I prefer to use 1/4 inch. It's kind of airtight. Operator, can you play your backup driver? What about dual cell? Does dual cell work? Maybe. I got some in this back storage room, way back there.
You have that,
Yeah, somebody drove in the wall? Yeah.
So the third hole of this plate is going to be where this
Here,
hole
could you guys check that this fits? I'm just gonna go drill press.
is. So what's the dimension?
Well, you guys have them. I think it was 28.5 by 18.25.
18.25, what's that length?
It's 24 by 40, yeah, 43.
So both big, too big.
Yeah, but we can cut it.
Yeah, that's the same, both big. Where'd you put that?
Do I have to cut this?
Bring it to, are you cutting it?
I don't know, do we have to cut this? Is this for the kid pop?
We don't know if we need it.
Do you
Do
not
you
have,
have enough metal? I made another desk, like the.
do we have another, cause this is going like this. You have the other one, right?
I have another one.
Okay, so leave that for now. I'm not 100% sure that we're doing that. All I do know is we have that piece and that piece. And then,
Okay,
then you can drill all the holes.
I have, so including this, we have this, and this.
So that middle piece?
No, I mean this, and this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that, that's, okay, so that middle piece should be long enough for this one, so then we can just connect both parts.
okay.
So then that way we have like half of it done.
Okay.
Right? I won't be able to stay for it ever, even though I want to.
Do you have a plastic?
What?
Do you have the plastic?
So we have the front plate and then the back plate would do that eventually. You want it like this? You want it like?
Yeah.
You want this? I think you should measure,
Used to be, yeah, whatever. You're for that. So. Yeah. I'm dead. I lost my kids. Quiet. But I had one of those behind the lines. I had a GoPro attached to it. When our robot was within like 6 months. Yeah, and then when he walked over, talked to the guy, came back to try and get the evidence.
Yeah, I was asking about what that I
There's multiple holes on the
It's like being in the water.
No, I thought you were using.
Oh, yeah, I brought
Yeah,
some.
because there's a quarter 20 hole on this one, see? Right there, that hole is bigger.
We used didn't we use the same bit for the entire thing?
No, that second hole is bigger. So that's a number 10, and then that second one is a quarter.
We used the number, oh, they changed the bit again?
I don't know, you should measure. You should read the number on the bit that's in the drill press, and then check, is it the right size?
I mean, like.
Yeah. He told us. He told us.
Time to check for people who are saying. Hello.
You, I don't.
They were using it. So where should I punch?
Oh,
Here.
yeah.
That's actually really exciting.
I'm guessing actually that's to be the same as
Maybe one time.
I need to learn more languages.
Just keep quick.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Add a squirt guard to it, 10 on. Please don't be over.
Wait, no, wait, no.
It was all the way down.
Yeah, like. How?
Yo, can you do the 316? Can you do 316? They always try to. Theoretically, I agree with you.
I haven't read that. Oh, they do. They went through it all.
So it'll be this.
No word doesn't say it doesn't.
So,
Okay. Yeah, so it does. That's okay. So, I'll do robots.
1164 is too small, right? 'Cause that's smaller than 816. So you want your 1864?
Okay.
Okay, what do you say? We use this 735. 0.2 is around. So. Yeah.
He's on the park.
But I thought you were, I'm sure they'll come in and try to organize the office.
You're too young.
Keep away. You'll never get.
I wrote, yeah.
You will never get paid.
You're
done. Scratch out religion, you're done. I agree.
I know.
Competition.
That's enough, that's enough.
I spoke enough Japanese to get it on the hand, but.
For real?
Yeah.
No.
You
You're gonna be like that genius.
I think we're all ready for it.
You watch.
Like I was there with a friend who was something, she left me, she was in, but. The intake to sequences, that's.
You want to be right in.
It's a round pickup to sequences. If you can get the elevator with the right option. Yeah.
That's a great job.
What's our aim?
Old enough to have, I don't ever did it, right, I'm not that, we're gonna finish this. I'm still like physically using to do fun stuff.
That is underneath.
This is perfect.
I hate.
No, just allow.
I know, I am.
And then, wherever that. We'll have vision.
Show her.
Ready to go behind?
Show her on tomorrow.
You can be good at maximum height of the start. You could reach other places.
No, I'm saying your robot on the ground.
What do you want? Period.
Hey,
So you're gonna put the sleeves on your wheels, made of hard?
yeah, as long as the bumper's in there.
What's bumping?
The top of the bumper, C7.5 inches.
What is it
I
now?
think it goes every,
I hate that now.
I always run and said I went through, we're off by half an inch on the package.
7 inches, so you can only lift off half inch. The higher you lift it off, the easier it is to get that.
Not quite long.
Yeah.
You're saying, take
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna start this off.
Yeah.
So our structure, our thing going down. is gonna be like 4 inches, like 5. The bottom's gonna go up.
Right, you can do that, and then the wheel will be sticking out.
You're gonna, it will bend a little bit.
And we could even have something 3D printed for your, so we can go real thin.
With shield.
Yeah. Or a piece of left hand, yeah. Because
But
there's nothing
we'll
on
push
the
it
ground.
down, we'll push it.
Actually,
You
no,
might push it, so.
If the wheel's the thing that touches the front.
because this is.
I know how to work the geometry.
Yes.
Spinning.
You have to have them spinning, and then have, instead of it being like this, have it like this.
But we cannot just do it with one hole.
So, no,
But that could just stay.
this one is the front one. So once you drill this one, right, we put the bolt in, and we just mark it out.
Okay.
We have two on one side.
This one you don't.
Yeah,
This one, done with that. But yeah, we'll just do that. Use the same drill bit as last time. We feel like 4 people are on now. Brigade someone, someone's watching, including me. Including you.
Parents don't even care about us.
People never care about this. Yeah, not very much does that.
And this, something, and I'll do that. What's your?
So in 2022, both users and sellers were top 25 problems. So you're different. I have a sales executive at a funnel system. And there's 25 how to build it out. There's 25 that I want to use because there's sort the ball and board it. I don't care what it is, give it to me now. So.
Oh, that sheet got it. He's a little.
Yeah.
That sheet plastic does work.
Yeah.
It's larger. What do you doing? What are you doing with this?
Physical, you're thinking of the, we'll wait till the end, because it breaks without you cut it, why not? It's a shingle. Or snowboard, yeah. So you have one side that's the same, you have one side here, or you center it.
I know it doesn't matter what shape it is, it's something else.
Yeah.
And then you can have your proper shape of shoe.
And you only pick up one at a time, so you don't have to worry about what it do independently by parents. And I guarantee most of our applicants in discussions, what do you think of these? They have had an awakening since you left. So they'll probably try something.
So no, simple building.
Simple is gonna win third. Maybe not complicated is gonna win.
Two?
Oh, we're back to 3 people now.
Do we have any subscription? 10 gifted.
No, it's not.
10, where's the
Wait,
10
somebody
gifted? I don't know.
Oh, hello,
That's
5406 people.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
I follow
know.
you on Instagram, I think.
His name's actually Alex.
Yeah. Do you have like longish hair? Yeah.
He's got glasses. Yeah, longish hair.
Yeah,
He's,
I follow you on
he's
Instagram.
the photographer.
Yeah.
Media. I'm not sure if he's still actually messaged you on Instagram.
10 gifted for a private selfie.
It's easy for me to understand.
When you're looking at a top-down board, that's your business. You got it. I'm not forced that.
I don't like these crowds.
Yeah. Thank you for the He takes the mic.
Hey, that's your first. Okay. Do a basic one coming out. Spin your ring.
Guys fitting and taking it out.
That's your first.
Then if you don't have time to do anything else, you get out of it.
The second one should be, the second one should be go on one side, the second one. Keep increasing it all year. So we might only have to do 2 or 3.
Did you cut it even when the bandsaw?
No. You're welcome to throw this out. There's no mess. It's all right.
As long as it's not on the carpet. Has anyone updated the live stream? Has anyone talked to the live stream camera?
No, we did.
Great.
When we do the third one, we do, so by permission, do 1,000 more.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I agree.
You have to.
It's
Principal.
I know, principal's a sports person, so I think that would be good. But.
We have to vote. Did everything's vote, they calibrate. Then you guys can drive home.
Yeah.
They come back the next morning.
Yeah. It's budget. Normally, you have to follow the north side, right? Not like.
One.
So this time around, I've submitted on receipts for gas. So they realize it's not budget, they'd be saving money.
No, building.
Knowing the average student at this school, very different, knowing the students. I trust the students that themselves when they're there, I don't trust the average kid. That's where you need to go. You're a couple, but not those couple. That don't happen now, but I always keep them at home and then go out to them. This is usually happens. So they try not to go to Niagara Falls for one day. You go to
Dang it, party.
You guys having a party without me? Yeah.
We gotta leave. 5 minutes.
Yeah, Mark, we all the Yankees. He predicted it 3 days ago. I just saw it on Mark saying that. Your fault. Oh, yeah. I called it as well. As soon as I saw the kid talk. You don't feel this. To the game. Oh.
I've been a lot of plans for her.
Yes, I will hop in. They're being safe, the things extended.
Let me grab my safeties. Drew's wearing his sweaty new safeties.
Yes.
Tyler, which plaster were you using?
So this one
Mm.
is gonna be the backside, the really long piece.
Do we cut it yet?
Oh yeah, you have to cut it because it's too big.
Mm.
And I'm not sure about the other piece. I'm not sure if it's this piece. That's gonna be the front one.
Okay, so we're gonna cut the back one.
So
What's the length?
So this piece right here, that's 25 inches.
Is the back one? 25.
Yeah.
25 by,
Oh no, that's just a box tube. This is 25. That back sheet. It's 26 and a half. Oh, it's.
this is confusing. So this is the back one.
How many more holes?
26 and a half by 18 and a quarter. But there's also an indent for the wheels. But just do the square piece and then we'll cut it out later.
Can you tell me what is the dimension because maybe we can use this?
No, because it big, right? Imagine a big sheet and then does this. Big piece, and then it comes in like this. So we won't get leave it.
26
And a half
and a half and 18
and a quarter.
quarter.
I was about to drill it, but I found a problem. How are we gonna drill through it with these motors on it?
No, it's with this guy.
Good question.
No, let's take off the bolts. It's just 2 bolts here.
Yeah.
Terrible things. So how is it going? Going well?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, if you hear the clicking, it's bad, unless you're actively going back and forth.
Oh, where's, that's that, no?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, no, because like the whole
I'm
line
ready.
is exactly the same. So
I'm ready.
Yeah. No, the other one.
Oh, no, it's like still over there.
How do you test that out?
Go ahead. Oh, yeah. All right.
Yeah. Are you ready? Thank you for all the help.
I'll be back here slightly before 11. Students will be coming here for 12. I'm only here early because Cohen from Celtics wanted to see what we're working on, so I was going to do it for before I get stuff.
12 o'clock?
12 o'clock would be great. You guys down for that?
I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. We have to do a job, we have to get on the sewer. We'll do it after. What time you leave, 12 to 6?
Press it asks if you're over 18.
Yeah, don't continue.
Maybe you catch some school Wi-Fi. I am. I know I have all school Wi-Fi, but I'm without the reason for doing that.
We're going to be tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys.
See ya. Oh, great. Mandy and Eris are in here. Sorry, Aries.
Regina.
Oh, I have no idea. I don't know, probably.
I mean, at least you know that it's over.
What are you guys looking at in there? They made a very long stick. Oh, okay. All I heard was these look fancy. I was looking at the flyers. About the flyers? Oh, yeah, those are fancy. What are you two talking about? Fine. You want to see what all the tools are. That's fine. That's not that messy.
I know.
How do you do that?
All right, people, so here's our first prototype of 2024. We've got some 48 durometer wheels from Bainbots that we've attached to a 1/2-inch hex shaft. This is not for the quick build. This is in fact for 9062's prototypes. We're going to decide what our mechanisms are going to be like tomorrow. Probably during the stream, we'll end up interrupting the broadcast to go have a meeting about it. But this is our first prototype. This allows us to test the grippiness of these wheels. This is the same grippiness of the wheels from the bot you're watching get produced right behind me. So hopefully with the, I guess, squishability, if you will, or the durometer rating, it'll be able to be compliant enough that it will form around the ring and grip it and sort of pick it up off the ground. We're hoping to do a ground intake with this design. If it doesn't work, we'll probably end up using it for like a human feed station kind of deal, but we'll elaborate on that tomorrow. Yeah. Thanks. Is that marked out, ready to get cut?
Yes, but what we used to
We used to use giant scissors, actually.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Giant scissors. You could use a knife if you're careful.
Are we using this also for the front?
We are using that for the stuff that actually needs to be strong. This is for the top. Because this does not need to be strong.
Okay, so this is the. What? Tyler told me that this is the piece at the back.
Okay. Well, both pieces are going to get used.
Mm.
Oh, you know what? That is the top one. That's the bottom one.
Oh, okay.
Because this one is longer.
Okay. So I'm gonna mark this so we can have this too.
Great. I'm going to keep working on a ground intake prototype to see if this works.
I don't like those things, but yeah. You know why I like it? It's more about like having fun and dancing than like if you see everyone just standing in different corners. There is.
Wait, we need to.
When I put it there, I want to figure out that. Testing one university and just.
Oh, the gate. Yeah, there's gates. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Remember, got put somewhere safe at some point, but obviously left that safe. Very good. What are you working on?
I finished marking that. We can cut that.
Perfect.
Thank you. So the distance is flying along the circuit pretty well.
Yeah. Yeah, I was doing some messing around with unidentical setup.
Same setup?
Okay, we're done with this one, but like, one of the holes is like, this is like off.
It's okay. No.
I linked it down.
No, so we're actually cut that. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna test it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. We are almost ready.
Ready to assemble?
Yes, after the long piece and the plastic, then we are ready to assemble everything.
A knife if you're careful. I've got a pretty serious one. My desk.
你们刚才跟他有做第二个这一个吗？所以我们只有这一个，是不是？还有一个，
Come on, why do you have good nights?
就有一个是比较短，一个有一个，对，有两个。
You have good back.
我们要另外一个，我们应该要这个，我们应该要
Come on, you don't even trust you with a knife. Be honest.
Okay,
Jack's probably in the chat right now agreeing with
我们刚才只看了，我以为这里
come on, that has only been the entire one.
原来只做了一点，所以我们现在有这一块，这一块。
Yes,
I don't know. I would argue.
very much more fire.
Yeah. That is not part of the kit box.
It's not part of the kit box.
I would very much prefer to.
Yeah.
You can hear?
Yeah. 什么？大家有块？那
Because this now.
我们现在有这一个，
We are gonna have Santiago cut that using the jigsaw.
看中间这个。
Come on, let me use the jigsaw.
等我一下哦。
Jigsaw is a specialty tool that requires training, and we do not have the time to train everyone on. Therefore, in sake of fairness, in sake of fairness, that's my official.
You want a certificate of training against present you want?
From where?
Actually, fabrication lab, IUP, it's under MIT, fabrication lab, MIT. So,
MITx or MIT?
no, the MIT, like the,
来喽，
like, you know,
什么？
the MIT fab lab.
对，我们现在有这一块。
Yeah.
So, it's under them, so it's under another university. And,
这一块。
so that's the firm.
跟
If this were a community team, I would accept,
跟
and that would be fine. However,
这一块。
not a community team. Let's.
Because I have to get a seat
If
training for
if
them.
someone tells Chef 50, hey, I made a
这一块
really good
跟
team,
后面那一块
he，doesn't just go, oh, then I don't need to teach you.
所
how to
以我们现在还要另外一边，然后中间那一边，然后后面那两个。
Right?
It's okay, it's okay. Won't worry.
然后
Yeah, do.
我们还
I
有
use Chef 50. She's too chill.
哦，这边就是。
I know. I'm like, I'm thinking about like,
She,
you're like,
she
yeah,
probably
go
would
ahead.
say, yeah, go ahead. But she also says, like, you will get injured in this class and it's fine.
Yeah, I got it. I got like burned.
Wait, like, does she have like file with?
It's more.
Not if they're not super serious.
Yeah,
Like with Jeffrey, it was super serious.
yeah, that's like, yeah, but like, looking at only when you're recording.
Answer.
How much do we need?
I
How much do we need and where?
I don't know because that is not
We've got two
part.
pieces of 28. We got one piece of 16. We need two more pieces. I don't know how many. 25.5, I think.
Okay, now I need 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces more. One is 20.
The two on the inside, we might be able to get away with using something.
One on the inside, I have find the perfect length.
Okay.
So we need one more in the inside and one.
way harder to cut than I thought it would be. So we use the jigsaw.
Okay.
But
Cool, nice.
Yeah.
Can I see the knife?
I don't play with it, come on. I don't play with it.
I'll pass to her first.
Your choice of words is one of the issues.
Why?
Do you think this flavor's good or?
Can I have it just
I don't think I have.
Come on, I'm very
Yeah, you
safe.
can hand it to Sheree this one time.
I'm very safe, come on.
Yeah.
I think this is my first time handling a knife.
You realize the body was being recorded.
Yeah, for like hunting and like for arts and crafts, come on. Why do you assume?
Yeah, 5-minute crafts as you roll the knife. Sure, buddy.
I mean, you'd be surprised at how the tools are.
Real Brampton moment going on over here. I'm so willing to say. Alice designed them, and then somebody asked SLB at some point to use the button maker.
Wait, no, because I remember them bringing out the button maker.
They never gave it
I
to us.
didn't.
They never gave it to us. And also, we don't have any backup. Like, we don't have the metal.
Can we like order something else?
Yeah, but like, that's my money. I wanted to get some decent computers. We're out of 1x1. We have a 1x1 we have. Allison.
What?
We're not out of 1x1. We don't have lunch. And then 3/4 won't do. Good. Yeah.
Draw this draw.
And wait till he finds the piece of metal he likes. Yeah, sure. That's from the field. Record. Yay.
Right, it's this
I'll take that 4-footer back.
confusing line.
How you doing, Daniel? Good. There is this perfect shot where in the live stream I can see Sharir right now.
Really?
Yeah, you can see the camera, right?
I can.
Lean a little bit that way.
I can.
Yeah, so the camera can see you.
Hello. I'm so used to corners, I was like, it's slowing down. How is this table?
Engineering at its finest.
How do people use these cords for so long? Crazy.
Do you still have a cord on your lawnmower? Well, I guess you don't have a lawn.
No. But I'm mowing my tiny condo balcony.
Wait,
Well, actually, no, that way there's the one part where I managed to cut through the night. No, I'm sure you still will get a change this time. Is this a new program? This is from 2020.
I know the back room.
So this is that piece? And then there's other formation that's like white.
Oh, the white core. This is polycarbonate.
Oh, this is poly, I thought this is.
This is like, there's like 240 feet.
Okay.
By 4, yeah.
Dude.
Jordan, I mean, it's about as like.
Like, yeah, you have to use the mouse. They just use it.
Like if you right click and then you scroll, you can zoom in and zoom out.
If you need more, they got one, then you have yeah.
So how do you come up with it?
Yeah.
Help us with like marking.
Yeah.
What do you need to draw? Cause like, she's obviously need to draw more holes.
Which one? Another three? Yeah. Which one? Another 3 piece. Another 3 piece. Oh, another 3 piece. Okay. So, okay. So I guess we can lift this.
Okay, are these two good?
Yeah, lift this to the. Then it's our constructor guy.
Okay.
Okay. I don't have holes here, so what would you?
Make sure it is working.
We might actually have to file this a little down. So we have to make this hole at the perfect 0.5 inch half inch. Can you get me like a file? You know what's a file?
Wait, oh yeah.
Thank you.
Wouldn't it be easier just to use like the belt sander?
Belt sander? I don't know if we're, if we.
Okay, but like it's just like a little though.
Yeah, just a little.
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, why?
Okay, you know what? We can do this later. Let's do all the marking first.
Yeah, when you're using it, just like use the wheel to slide it down. Would it be easier to file it if it was like clamped to the table?
Sorry, my computer's running too low. Okay. This needs to be filed. This is a little bit too short. It's like a little bit too short. It's like a 0.1 inch short. This is a little bit.
Do we have any other like
I found, but I couldn't find it.
good one?
Very professional or is it?
You say master's card. right?
So what if?
Okay. Yeah, so you can kind of just like valid off the example.
Yeah. So maybe we can cut. So we run.
We've been trying to get a sponsorship for a while. Yeah. I mean, they'll afford to take cards, et cetera, but they don't sponsor teams. Very unfortunate. Yeah.
I don't know what that's for, but now you have it. We'll cut the other one. Is everything going well here?
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yes and no. I could find 25 of 2x1.
Oh, like 25 inches long?
Yeah, I need two.
Okay. So 2 by 1 or 1 by 1?
No,
2 by
25 inch 1 by 1.
1 by
Sorry.
1. Okay. Almost through some. How's this going?
Okay,
4. We got another viewer.
oh, she's me.
Oh.
Or viewers.
Oh.
Wow.
很完美，
That's such a surprise that I never anything that we were talking about. Yeah.
超完美的宝贝。哦
Yeah.
What is this for?
You're a staff member. you
Another-
remember-
the other side of this.
Here?
No, like
Oh, okay.
we can start running the
And fell in the parking lot. because-
T bracket.
So now, like, every.
Get a T bracket among
It's
this,
like
so like so you can have two identical.
The slideshow.
Oh, yeah,
They increased the,
I got it.
Like, icing budget, so they got like new shovels, and they got like better. All new equipment. Oh, yeah, the hell is.
要吃粉丝吗？他们煮了，他们煮了可以给大概留点，可以吗？好像不太好，我也觉得不太好。
I'm tired. I need to go to gym.
Okay, take a break.
Yeah.
要吗？不太好，但是都有哎，真的吗？
I'll be back tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
I did more than a year ago, so no one's back.
Sir?
Yeah,
I'll be back tomorrow.
okay, thanks for coming,
No problem. Bye.
get some good rest.
Thank you.
You
You too.
Yeah, I knew how to like, you know, transport someone 3 years ago, I'm still qualified to do that. Because before the team wants to be even more training this summer.
今天就要把这3个弄出来吗？我想对一下就拜拜，对一下就我。
The first main course is your.
No.
Is this good?
哦，mark 一下。现在从这里到这里，小心一点。等我一下，对，我忘了。
Training that the police and firefighters have to take. Sorry guys, I'm doing a thing less than 60 away from you.
我今天早上起来我腿更。
What do you mean on the outside? Like air outside.
帮我一下，帮我 mark 这里会卡。15 哦，不是19.5，对不起。对，先这样，然后这里帮我画一，等我一下。
No, actually, there might be mango too, but that's pretty typical. When I was in college, I thought our Milwaukee sponsorship was like cool, so I couldn't really sell, so I think we were display models.
是1.5，对不起。OK。
没有，就在那条线。
Yeah, they don't really like teach you that much, like, the defibrillator literally talks.
那你这边
So yeah, like in the details, you
As
see
soon
like
as you get out of the case, it'll
这边是不是有对？ 不是，这里太小了。哎，
这样，等一下。
OK，chill，你要放松一下 ，OK。我知道你现在很不放松，不是因为我也有点不放松，我也害怕。
Why do you always leave your wallet there?
I don't know.
You do that again tomorrow, nobody's gonna.
18，正18。可以。
点转点。
They don't know the horrors.
然后
You run back and forth, like you do in high school, you're running back and forth across.
OK， 你看。
这两个点。
You change direction every time you go. But you got like closer and closer together. It's like first you kind of walk it back. And progressively faster.
这个可以吗？
You know how like the second Hunger Games movie, every hour they were
Oh my
being
gosh, I
better?
just watched that.
That's how I feel when I hear or see the beeps in the view test. I still haven't seen the Hunger Games.
Oh my gosh, they're so good. Like I just finished them with my friend. Like I finished watching.
They are pretty good. The books are good.
My friend last night.
I think I read all the books when I was in high school or middle school. They're pretty good.
太快了，超。
Yeah, you know Malard. You know Malard.
He's the guy from the new Five Nights at Freddy's movie. And then the meme
等一下，切的话都跟着这个。
with like
这
the
个好是
Bullseye
对
song in the background.
OK，可以。
Are you aware of that? I know. It's everywhere now. I keep trying to look up Josh Hutcherson flow riding.
我装一下水了。
Oh, we should do that. We just gonna check the schedule because they changed it in the new year. You did the one from the record. So I was gonna go to the master. So the 16 goes to union, but I have to go back. Oh, yeah. Are you going to exhibition? I love an exhibition. Oh, then yeah. He lives in exhibition. Also, Dunker's kind of far. London is pretty far.
No, not the.
No, you know. Yeah, that's the meme, but like a video format. Is that a video or is that just a picture you Google?
Yeah, it's a video. It's on par. Yeah, but like, yeah, it's just like.
Yeah, but the volume has to be
That's
up.
like besides the 10 board. No, it's 50 board. You're doing what the downtown? No, it's just one for you. It's a tiny little board. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that compared to like the mask area, that's the schedule. Dude, that is a nice. Have you ever gone to the Tim Hortons downtown? Yes, I've been downtown with this school far too many times.
Huh? Where did Allison go?
Why?
I just.
I was the only one to get arrested.
You're the only one who came back, so we assume that you survived long enough. Yeah, you know the streets. Everyone else
I
perished.
had a bunch of Hamilton-related nightmares. 'Cause I got COVID.
Of course you did.
Wait, sorry, what happened?
Hamilton-related nightmares during COVID.
I got COVID right after my last exam, which is not fun, but I took these drugs. And one of the side
Legal
effects-
drugs?
Legal drugs.
Okay.
One of the side effects is really weird side effects. Strange, they were strange, but all Hamilton related, which is strange, because I don't live here. And I don't
Right, you
live
just go to school and go to work here.
No, I haven't had.
Hamilton will claim you just to support me.
Hamilton, I didn't survive the streets of Hamilton, I know that secret now.
Yeah.
You just act like the crazy one.
You know what? You heard Grace laughing at you from the other room, right? Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the 905
Good.
plus 49.
905 back to the 905. Makes sense.
The 905, but, yeah.
Let me give you a downtown Hamilton hack. Now there are too many students, so if you walk with your hand in center jacket, very good, no one is coming there. You walk through an alleyway, people will, away from you. I walk through an alley, people like.
The volume is still on.
Yeah, I'll figure out, I think you're just barely on camera here. I'll check. But, also, this is like relatively safe. Like, I was looking at, because our report came out at the end of the year. Honestly, you're on especially is higher than I thought.
Yes.
Okay, so we are off topic. We've been off topic for about 20 minutes. Would you like to be on topic?
Yes, I wanted to see if you were looking more why when you're doing something.
You are not, I'm not.
I am.
You
I don't think
are. He is. That has about 5 seconds. I'm gonna leave some tries to fail. So, one thing that I'm currently protecting is the height at which the intake needs to be off the ground.
What kind of intake are you thinking? Like,
Roller bar.
okay, wheels on top.
Wheels on top, seats on bottom.
Like subjects,
We're not putting anything like that. We're doing something that Team 33 did for the discs. It's very frisbee style intake.
So just like this thing on top and a little flat thing underneath.
Yeah, and that's why I have all that 2x1 out. It's like I want someone else to go to bed to find the ideal height. But what you guys are doing is a speed build, so it can be speedily built.
Yeah,
And then we can do that one tomorrow. We'll do the prototype tomorrow. What?
I'm not doing more.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you for coming for kickoff. It's much appreciated.
so, this pickup, what do you need that?
Use the 2x1s and the 1x1s to make a modular intake pipe. So basically, I want you to attach it to the center of this is like 3 inches off the ground on the first one. And because there's all these holes, you can always switch the holes to get to different half inch height to adjust the height. You get me? So you bolt it like, let's say, here, like on this one, right? And then, oh, it's too high. We bolt it there. Oh, it's still too high.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, me too.
Find two pieces that work for you, but it's fun. And fold it inside here, nothing on top, because you'll be using the desks at the bottom. That will give us our distance between the ring and the wheel.
Can I just give you one more?
Yeah, just use 1x1 if it works better. You don't even need to do up the bolts. I just need to find the right height.
Yeah.
Do you have your computer?
No, I didn't bring it.
Okay, look it. She doesn't have a mouse. I don't know how to operate without the mouse.
Sorry.
Waiting for Allison.
Well, she wants to know what.
Honestly, I'm just trying to get it.
the application is stressful. So we have to do the whole thing right. Yeah. And also. And also I've prepared for different types of stand-up application. Yeah, I've always prepared for the previous tab, now I'm going to this tab. Yeah.
I understand. My head's not working at home.
Oh, yeah, you couldn't figure out how to like check the pad.
So. What are we doing now? Oh, we drew?
Yeah, we drill a hole.
Okay. I'm gonna have to cut this. So that we'll actually like cut this.
Okay.
Just follow this line.
Mr. Steele,
Yeah,
could you help us, cut again?
sure. So weird, like 5.5 feet off the ground.
哎，不对，哇，你是不是有那个侧的那个？
咦，等我一下，
有侧的，
哪一个侧？是哪个？
对不对？
哪一个？哪一条？
I assume the whole thing is straight.
这个它会斜。
Okay, but straight to the longest part or
里
straight
面那一条？
啊，不对，我猜错了，对不起。
tell me where this one is?
Oh, wait. There's another
有
one.
度哎，这个有度，
Okay.
这里。
哎呦，他们
Whoever it is who doesn't turn on the,
对，
calipers, please.
对对对，我们
Not me.
Not you, but it's him.
You? Everything going well here?
yes or no?
Well, tell me about the no.
Okay, the no part is they didn't drill, they didn't mark and drill. Everything. So they only focus on the upper part, they didn't do the down part, so we have to drill.
How many important things are there?
Well, it's,
Yeah, but those you can kind of just, like, you can just put the T on it and drill the hole through the T, right? Like, those holes don't have to be accurate to anything, they have to be accurate to the T. They have to be accurate to measure,
to the T.
right? Like to this thing, right? Like, so were these parts provided or is that something we have to provide? Oh, they gave us, okay, so yeah, as long as you figure out where that middle hole goes, drill the middle hole and then just,
你看到我弯一下吗？
yeah. You drill the middle one and then put a bolt through it, then ta-da, you have all the other holes lined up. So just figure out where this middle one goes, drill that, and you can drill the rest of it with a hand drill.
The word?
6.5，这里到这里6.5。
No longer mistake.
对不起，我拿的时候啊，这里到这里6.5。Thank you, thank you very much.
Mr. Steele.
He is part of the
ground block. So instead of having a layer come out the bottom at the back of the robot, it had like a plain.
那不是另一个
It was dumb, but it worked.
这里。
Do you need to do it?
干不是啦，是在等一下，我白痴
That would
哦
grant me
等一下，我错，对不起，不要骂我。干，我白痴。
plus wheels on the side of the sequencer.
干，是在这里，不是这里，不是这一面。等一下，我再确认一下。
However, according to
我超害怕的。OK， 这里这一面，然后对，是在这一面。
So that's what I'm figuring this out. Yeah, but that's just a cheat post they saw 15 minutes ago. So I don't know.
I remember, I looked at these, like, right, I think an hour after we got some of
Well, how are you reading How do you read? Where do you live now? Oh, wait.
McMaster campus, like I just walked down there.
Wait, but you live in like downtown Hamilton, yeah?
Oh no, I moved out from there, like I live on campus, just like McMaster,
Where's your family?
Nigeria.
I thought you're like.
Yeah, no, yeah, I was living with my mom, but then after I graduated, she went back to Nigeria.
Oh, that's so sweet. It's 6.5 miles. Like.
对，上次也聊错了。
什么？
超偏的。
I know if you're in like less than an hour, so if there's any mentor tasks you need or questions, let me know.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Almost done? Perfect.
We're actually pretty quick.
What?
We're actually pretty quick.
Both decent speed.
I will go in.
Well, considering the team's
How
experience.
long you consider them back?
We're actually.
It's just like he's
pretty
looking
slow.
dissing us, he's like, no, my former team was way better than both.
My former team would have done it worse, but faster, much faster, but worse.
I'll be here at 11, but I might be.
But we're also used to doing stuff in like terrible conditions. Like we built our robot in the snow for 2020 because we were kicked out of school. So we did it.
What?
Oh, yeah.
There's just photos of us.
I'll be here. No, he's not a mentor, he's just my one for himself that was interested.
Why did they kick you out of the school?
COVID.
These guys added the, hip-hop before it came out.
Didn't you guys like meet up at somebody's house or something?
We worked in a garage. We had the door open the whole time. We were testing stuff, and it's not a heated garage. Like it's separate from the house. So
All the parts
we're
that come
in like a semi-covered hut in the
And he
snow.
added all of them and then tried to guess.
No, I thought you meant like you just like went like.
Oh, we drove it in the snow. Like that's how we did all of our testing. Was in the snow.
Was that like safe, bro?
Like that's the robot, and that's snow coming under the door.
Wait, but like, what if like water got into some of them?
Too bad.
Like, was it like thick snow or just like?
Depends on the day.
Is there still some 2x1?
Where is it? I have a video of our very
You
first
don't need
time
to get,
testing
you
it.
do what you're doing. I'm doing the next step.
是这个吗
Yeah.
So we have to do this.
Mhm.
I'm so scared. I don't trust them.
There we go.
Yeah, double check.
But honestly,
No, we'll triple
when
check.
we first started, what I went through, like, I was to study.
Yeah, this was right after the snow melted, so this was in March. That was our first time testing the shooter, and all of my math was correct, because it went into goal the first time. That was that Desmos thing I showed you. Like our first time ever shooting, and that's the top of the goal.
啊，我不错了，他真的很聪明，为什么跟他讲话？我真的不喜
I
欢。
was gonna assume that was a compliment. Yeah. Thank you. I mean, you need to teach me.
I need to like, I need to brush up on my Mandarin. Like, I feel like I always get so annoyed when I don't understand books.
More like those.
No, because like I learned for like 5 years,
Oh,
but then
really?
like once I came to Canada, like I forgot so much.
God, I forget all my Spanish from Canada. go back to Chile and I have to speak Spanish.
照这个之后就放在这
Whenever
个
I'm in a country, I
来过看这个，
when I
然
was in
后
Japan, I
再
just kind of
放
without
先
needing
跟
to
着
learn
这个样子看到。
Japanese.
I only know like Japanese from anime. You want me to recommend you some?
I don't know, I kind of like humans.
然后再放这两个。
Like, okay, no, but animation is like a whole different like style of art.
When I was a
Like,
kid, but
SpongeBob is not the same. Like, SpongeBob is good, but like, it's not the same level. Of,
I don't think you can beat SpongeBob as far as animation goes, but.
I feel like you've just not been exposed to enough. Like, have you at least watched Avatar: The Last Airbender?
No. That's the guy with the blue arrow on his head, yeah?
Yes.
We're almost done.
I feel like
No,
You're almost done these couple of holes.
we're after this, we can assemble tomorrow, and then we're done.
I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, but I'll be back in the week.
I'll be here every Friday for the next few weeks and hopefully every Tuesday.
For $18. So what you about?
I feel like you should start off with Avatar: The Last Airbender, and then we can move on to like other animes.
I don't have, when would I have time to watch stuff? I'm
Like,
studying or working.
Not like, okay, no, I'm not saying like you should binge. You could like watch like an episode every week at the least. Like, what you told me? Like, you're telling me 23 minutes is too much for you. You're telling me you don't like procrastinate at all.
No,
Like
I
every
do,
single
but-
moment.
But when I procrastinate, it's usually doing something else that's also kind of useful. Like, instead of doing my like math homework, I'll do my formula and stuff, or I'll work here or something. Like, it's, I don't really have the time where I'm just doing random stuff. One day I will, but-
When you're making those big bucks.
More than me, but- Yeah, what do you want to do for university?
Like for what, like co-op or?
No, I mean, like what major, yeah.
Mechatronics.
But engineering, yeah.
What about CSDB? What will you double degree?
Oh, double degree.
Mac has a similar one, you can get an MBA with your engineering degree, and I chose not to.
Like, you should get done that.
The extra money of an MBA.
Oh, okay.
Also, it puts you in a more managerial position, and I kind of like actually doing stuff.
But you would have the option in case.
Yeah, but I could also just get experience in my field.
Oh, shit. No comment. No comment.
Oh, Gigi.
How do you say that? I'm gonna slowly build up my vocabulary.
Yeah,
I just hear random phrases.
That was like clever, smart. That's what she.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I don't think I know any words. That's I.
Yeah.
Yeah. She is me, worship.
Huh?
Like worship.
Well, yeah, worship. I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I know, man. Like oh my gosh. Like I used to like during my advanced functions class, I had like a friend that I sat next to. I was like, we tried to like converse with her.
I think Boo is not, right? Like Tolu, Tolu, it means I'm not Tolu, right?
Yeah. Well,
So it's about the limit of my.
That's good enough.
No,
That's
I just, maybe I'll go one day and just look at stuff. Like I fully, when I got back to Japan, I was like, huh, I kind of know words now. And I didn't mean to. But, yeah.
そうです。
私の名前は。Yeah.
See, I know like weirdly specific things. Like I was able to ask for a plastic bag because you just you have to ask. That's Reggie Bukuro, you guys have it's Reggie Bukuro is plastic bag. Bukuro. 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 No, that sounds like a but yeah. Yeah, they extended everything so long. Yeah, lots of thank yous. But yeah. I should learn French at some point too.
Yeah, no, I had like a 90-day Duolingo streak, but then like once the exam season is like.
I used to live like I have a family who lives in Quebec. I feel like I should speak French better, but it's hard.
Yeah, no, like I need to like make a plan for how I'm gonna like learn French and then brush up on my Mandarin. Like I would love like if during the summer I could take like an exam for both.
Oh no, that's just me. I'm trying to take less exams ideally. I get enough.
Like I want to like have like a certification in French.
Would be nice. You speak it like well?
French?
Yeah.
No. Like no, like in my school, like we had to choose between learning French and Mandarin, and I chose Mandarin because I thought.
Alright guys, how's it going? It's going. Holes are being drilled.
Oh wait, did you drill those?
Things are being detached in that case. But eventually being retached.
Right.
It's going.
So we had one question in the chat asking if we're gonna do a ground note intake. Can we answer that for sure?
I don't think so, not now.
Well, certainly not for this build.
But
Are we gonna
the actual
reveal
robot,
our current plans, or are we gonna be super secretive?
I think we'd
until
be
it's
super
prototype?
secretive.
Okay, well, we're prototyping something for ground, so if you're interested in watching the round.
Do we know who all these people are? Or is there
Chuck is probably one of them.
Well, there's only 2 people in right now, but the last question was from Franco DeLuca, and I do not know who Franco DeLuca is.
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aries, that's from
I follow them on
Celtics.
Instagram.
Oh, of course you do. Yeah, all the match footage. Mandy and Shaq, both students you've met. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got one random person.
Yeah, probably from Chief, because I posted about this on Chief Delphi. Okay. I don't think as many people are interested in watching the guided kip up because there's already a physical model. Yeah. Like I wasn't sure if that was going to be a thing. I
Is
thought
this staying on YouTube after, or is this just a live?
lives get archived online.
No, I mean like, but you can choose whether to like keep it public.
Oh, I have the default set to keep it public. So I'll go take some footage while we're working on it in the other room.
Sounds good. Anything you need help with?
I wouldn't mind taking a look at the CAD if you can, to see how it's going to interface with the electronic panel.
Okay.
I'm worried that we didn't give enough room for mounting stuff. Okay. So we might have to alter how the 2 verts work. The 2 diagonals are already cut.
I need my laptop for that.
Yeah. Okay, well, you went a ½ inch up, right?
No, not happening. I just thought.
You need to move the slot up. You need the thing roll up. Yeah, so that is 1/2
I keep losing my laptop.
Your laptop
on the
died?
red things.
What?
1/2 inch.
I don't know, I thought it's low better. Are you drilling?
Yeah.
Can you,
½ inch up.
Wait, sorry, Kevin, what?
can you help me
So-
drill this?
An 1/8 inch.
Or for Connor? The,
How
okay.
about we go? So,
For Connor.
so let's do the math. You leave that there, stay as you are, I will measure the best.
Oh, work. More of.
Well, hang on. I want you to do that again on camera, okay? So you can do that. I want you to slide it, okay? Okay. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, perfect, thank you. Yes, I understand. So. Let it work. Whatever height you need. And then we'll measure the center.
Okay.
Hi, I need your help.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that electrical panel is gonna be in the way.
Where?
Electrical panel is gonna be in the way, won't it?
Or you do that, I'll,
Yeah.
Okay, so.
what can we help?
Okay, no, that lead it. Help me keep this tall enough. Like hold the end on your end, but do not move. Thank you. So the center distance is a little under 3.5. So
I think so. Just.
hold it down just a little bit. 3 3/8.
Let's do it over here because
Okay, so 3 3/8 to the center. Perfect. So if the center distance is 3 3/8, and we know this is about 2 inches.
Yeah, look at this.
How bad is it?
Not terrible. So
That's 2 inches.
this beam has to pass through 9 meter boxes, so that's on the side closest to me. So that one's fine. But then at the front, this goes down on the inside. Like right down there. I'm pretty sure we have polycarb right there. Yeah, it goes right here.
Can we just remove this? Oh, no.
No, it has stuff on it. This hole will be fine because we can just cut that out. But this one has something under it.
We can just move the part then.
Yeah.
45.
That's fine.
Just more stuff. It doesn't really help with the whole speed build thing. That's why I need to plug in my phone. I don't 11%.
But now my no, I know. We just need to make another hour, and we'll have all the info we need to start designing.
Yeah, problem.
What problem?
Doesn't fit. There are 2 1x1s,
One in that corner.
and then one in this corner.
Okay.
And then the other 2 go diagonally back and kind of end up here, so those will be fine, but you
Okay.
have to go straight down right there.
Is
This
there-
side there's a component.
Right, both sides are probably coming like
This
this.
side, there's not anything there.
Um,
Might be able to squeeze the side of the RSL.
Is there any way that we can put a gusset on the side or something? Just contacts the surface but does not penetrate the surface? Okay, is that the idea?
I'm so sure.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't grow till quite late. I think about grade 11, you got 12. I was 5 foot in grade 9. Yeah.
Wow. You play any sport?
Baseball.
Wow.
I tried soccer for a while, but I don't know. I'm not very good at using my feet, I think. So I just didn't do very well. Should be possible. And Mr. Steele was talking about instead of like penetrating through this, if we could put some sort of like gusset here, so that the 1x1 just ends here, and then we put a block there to like kind of hold it up. You know what I mean? Like just have something here that attaches it instead of passing through here, so we don't have to touch the polycard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if this is the 1x1, you know, like that. Yeah. So that should be doable. Won't be as strong, but I believe it's mostly in compression. So like the 1x1 is mostly just pushing down. So as long as it's touching something, it should be fine. We'll make sure there's not too much shear on it. Why does it make me reconnect every time I close the screen? Let's see. So, yeah, so as long as this is bolted correctly, this will take up the load in that direction, and this guy is only pushing downwards, so it should be okay. Yeah, it's easy enough. That's an issue for you guys tomorrow. I'm not gonna be here, thankfully.
Should be doable. It's like only really in compression, so.
Okay. I figured out the lateral compression between in the sequencer should only be 1 inch of compression. So a 13-inch wide rod, based on testing with a 12-inch area, and it was compressing too hard. So a 13-inch one would probably work really well.
Good. Yeah, we can put something on that front plate here, with this. Take a whatever slight forward, but really it's just pushing down.
Grabbing into plastic but not going
Yeah.
to plastic.
Yeah, because it's right beside where the plastic is supported by that rail, so it really shouldn't bend the plastic much.
So it might be a short piece of metal.
Yes.
Is there any way we can get around cutting it by just drilling in holes and something?
Yeah, I was gonna say, just like leaving something hanging off the top.
Yeah. Because that might help with our design, actually, one that I'm working on.
Yeah, wait, what was that? We're talking about it. Oh.
Maybe.
Right, what's that? That makes sense, we'll be back to the agent.
Right, we don't want to choose great, right?
No, that might be detrimental. Yeah, I think that's important to remember. 22 inches. 22. By.
By more than 3? Can't like the same size as this.
It looks, it's bigger than the 1 by 1. I think it's 2 inches. Visually, it looks like 1 by 1. It's like half the height.
This long enough? 23 by 8?
Yeah. What was the length I said? 22?
Yeah, this is 0.22. Okay.
Oh, is it will affect the compression?
It will affect the compression, but it might be better, it might be worse. So we might as well report on it. Personally, I don't think it's shot far, like, strong enough in the video. Try that one. Let's see what they probably use 0.118. I think that was in it. Yep.
Is that some metric number, 118?
3 mil.
Jigsaw for this too?
Yeah. Take it slow, but keep the speed of the blade.
Yep. We missed a piece of polycarb. There's a polycarb piece right there.
Ah, shit.
Guess that doesn't count as swearing. I'll make it out of this. It'll be a little bit too thick, so it'll compress slightly more, but that means it'll shoot faster, hopefully, which is good. I think it was 22 inches long. There's no harm in this being extra long, right? Like, can you show me what it looks like at the bottom of this side piece? Okay, yeah, so it could just keep going and it wouldn't hit anything. Perfect. I don't really want to waste material.
Does the height matter at all?
Like, could we just bolt this on and just have it be way too big? There's nothing, is there anything above it? Ow. How does this work? How does it work?
We want to look at this.
How do you?
Magic. Okay, it won't hit anything.
I don't know, I'm curious if it hits anything on the top. Like, is it between those two pieces of other polycarb?
So fun. Tính một thì
What?
what? Tính một thì tính một thì okay. Oh shit. Oh, I messed up. My brain's not working.
Yeah, that didn't work. Oh, okay, it does have to be the right width, because it there's a piece of polycarb above and one below. Like, it sits between these two, like that. So if I leave it this tall, the space would be too big. So I do have to cut it to the right size.
Cool. Thanks for your help.
Mr. Steele? Yeah. Well, why am I calling you Mr. Steele now? You don't have to. This is close to you. Sure, please. Yeah. Any mark? What? They're talking about how many marks. Okay. Well, we wanted to replace it. Yeah. What did I say, the light post 22? That sounds right. Try it. I figured out, it's slightly too short, but it's a torus, so it's probably contracted in the middle. Yeah. Even with compression, it doesn't change it that much. Okay, so, we have climb hook. It's ready, it's assembled, it works. It will work with chain. We have a height for the intake, roller. Are you coming back? Awesome. And we're coming back tomorrow. Don't let me strategize in the field.
Okay.
Are you staying in the
Go in. 好，我们放这一个，然后
So,
听一下
how did that
可以帮我
work?
mark 一下
Here.
我觉得呢，你拿这个尺会比较准，因为我觉得呢，我有点差呢。OK， 可以帮我拿这个。小心点跑上。
We're going to use those bolts so that we're in the works. And we've already assembled it, so we don't need to change the roller. What we do need to do is we'll need to design the angle at which the elevator is.
See.
The elevator needs to go all the way down, so that this is like taking 12 inches. And then we'll have a thing that goes up and down the triangle. And it's down.
那你可以帮我在这个点拉，还是你上进这里？
And then it goes up here.
对，直线哦，EB。
And it shoots together.
And we have something to cut.
But it's this thing's a little bit shorter than it's supposed to be, but it shouldn't matter because it touches the side of it and it's porous, so it doesn't really change the contact. But when you're drilling the holes, where is here? Okay, all these holes are in the middle. I can show you what it looks like.
What more are we doing?
Something else for it. What is this for?
What?
Oh, is it like the little square cutout? Yeah.
Ew. Yeah, 等一下我的 contact 我的
So that's what it is. It sticks out, but it also comes back up. We can only pick up one, so there's no use in having something that
No, if you ever want to like immobilize me, you know what you do? Just take any point object and just point it at me, even a pen.
等一下，
No, even like if you did this,
我爱男人，我会跟你说。
if you did this, I couldn't look at like I just didn't close my eyes.
这个可以，这个线。
Oh, is the stream still on?
Yeah, yep. Apparently it's being posted on YouTube after too.
How do you feel about this being posted on YouTube?
And we know 33 degrees is definitely.
I hate doing that.
What you're worried about?
Okay, so can you help me? This corner is correct, this corner is correct.
I'm gonna cut it quickly though, because I'm heading out soon.
Yeah.
This doesn't have to be perfect, right? Just kind of close it
Doesn't
up.
have to be perfect. Okay.
We done?
Okay.
We have done every cutting part, but yeah, except for the plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, plastic, we have to drill more holes tomorrow, and after that we can assemble it.
Shooting up into the.
Tomorrow I'll be here then I'll leave
And
later on.
is touching the little thing underneath it.
girls too.
No, for girls too.
How do you break the bone between side or? Isn't it different?
Separate doors, separate.
Yeah, separate
But it's the same, like.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I know, right? And the security is.
Right, you want to be back far enough someone else can.
Like, I remember when, okay.
So we're trying to draw, I think,
So you want to be like.
We want to figure out the angle between this, so it's horizontal, and this, which is the vertical one. So I think at one point they had figured it out. It was, like, they were doing all this math, they said. What angle is this? What's the idea of launch angle? Did we figure that out, or did we not figure that out? Because I wasn't here for that. Respectfully, Brian is not as good at mental math as he says he is. So, it's somewhere, yeah, he got the wrong answer very fast. My head does fit in there, clearly. Okay, so somewhere between 33 degrees and 58 degrees is the ideal theta, where theta represents the launch angle. So we need to figure out the ideal launch angle using CAD tomorrow. I'll probably come in at 11 and start doing some CAD.
I sent Allison a bunch of math as well.
Yeah, you measured everyone's head.
I sent her a ton of math as well, we used for sugar calculations, and it's mostly transferable.
We'll take it.
Imagine taller than me.
Yeah.
Good plan.
Quick update.
Can you give me an update in front of the camera? That way the live stream knows what's going on?
Yeah.
Because there are people watching, ideally. There's one person watching.
Oh, actually, that's too short to be like here.
No, you can stand over here. So this is Allison, she's our team captain. What have you been working on today?
So mostly I've been working on all the marking, measuring, and we have done every measuring hole and drilling everything. So basically we can start assembling and finish the robot tomorrow.
Great, so we're gonna finish the structure by tomorrow. That's the
Yes.
goal. Awesome. And the parts that came in the kit, have we completed assembling those? Like the pre-made?
They were briefly deassembled to add more holes to one of those 1x1s, but
Okay.
we know how to assemble them, and they've been assembled successfully before,
So we're modifying, it sounds like we're modifying the verticals slightly so that they fit with an electrical panel we already wired before we knew what the game was. So we've got a kit bot back there. Its nickname is Shoddy, and Shoddy's going to get a makeover where we add some support struts to where the orange light is. You can probably see it in the stream. And it'll end up looking rather triangular by the end of tomorrow. So great work. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
You also heading out?
Well, yes.
All right. Thanks for your work today, Santiago.
No worries.
Hey.
Oh, yes, handshake.
I wasn't looking at the camera. I just wanted to shake your
I thought we were
hand.
gonna look at the camera.
Oh yeah, we can.
One of those
Like it's
photos.
a sponsor. Yeah, great. Okay.
How do you do the upload?
You do this.
Oh, that feels
You
so
don't
weird
do
for
that.
my stuff.
Are we still doing this fine, or is that not worth it?
Oh, the wheel one, no, they decided it wasn't working because you don't really get.
All right, I'll put them away then. Okay, so it seems like three. Are you sticking around, or are you leaving?
I'll leave.
Okay, well these three are leaving. So it'll be the three of us if you decide to stay. If not, it's just me and Toto. I don't know what we're gonna do. Like, she can use the drill press on her own, so really, I don't need to be here.
That's the. So let me tell you what we're gonna do if you don't work later. Okay.
I'm gonna hand it
Thank you so much.
the work to you. Let's go. Hey. Okay, so basically you have to get your computer to look at a CAD.
I need, Mr. Steele, I need a computer.
We have a bunch over there.
Roughly what is going on is you know.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna be here.
Yeah.
It's good having your, you just have Like just using whatever.
Really just throw the whole thing.
Sometimes
I
I'm
will start to line up.
and because sometimes I'm lost, I don't know what to do.
That's so sweet. That's, oh, yeah. So, I don't wanna do any.
I love doing applications that no one gives me any work.
That was my. Yeah, no worries.
I think I'll be in on Tuesday, definitely Friday, and some other day of the week, but I don't know lost the other day. Thank you for your help. Friday, I can guarantee other day of the week. That is the perfect radius. Look at that. When will this ever be relevant? Like that is. I think that would be a fun thing to have in our pitch, just like a slowly spinning piece. Like if you could get it to kind of, you know. Yeah, we could totally do that. Put something on it, like 90-62 something. Here's what I was thinking. This is the scoring at the end game thing. Oh yeah. That's an actual practice. We could dunk that. Not just a. It is working, but that is not touching any. Okay, that was just a short thing. So we found it the right height. We wrote it on the board. I'll take a picture of it. When I end the live stream, which is probably soon, I will be using my laptop to then start padding for the 2024 robot, because I haven't been able to use my laptop at all. It's used for the live stream. It's the live stream laptop. So I haven't been able to do anything. I haven't been able to take attendance during this meeting. Nothing. I have an answer. It might not be a good one though.
How long, what's the length?
The travel length?
Yeah, yeah.
So we need to know this angle first, because we know that the bottom is going to be 24, and then this is a right angle triangle. So if we know this angle, we can then guess this length, and then that'll tell us this length.
Okay, so we also have to figure out the, rat, the kind, so that height.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's it.
Did we talk about that when I was not here?
Not really, but that would be like a really, we'll have to really figure it out.
I think that might be the secondary mechanism. But I know Ryan said that we can do it all in one thing. I don't know if we can. So we're gonna act like we can do it all in one thing, but find it out properly.
I'll just know what.
If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't work out, I have
We have to look at the bus schedule because.
Let's go. Like I just got Google Maps. Okay,
And you're sure there's no max height? Huh? We're sure there's no max height, right?
The word tall robot is not in the manual.
What about tall robots?
Now what happened?
We're gonna do all this stuff.
Perfectly lined up, right?
So.
Like, they wouldn't have just randomly changed the name of that role. It's always been.
That's to like, make it a whole.
When the no, like,
Yeah, because 4 feet starting, you can extend it all around. So if you want to place it even to the goal, you would have a nice place.
Like here.
Maybe you work with Grace and Allison?
Yeah.
Here.
That'd be great. I would love to sit over that. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's supposed to be an alumni bill. You're an alumni of an FTC team. Let's go.
So, yeah, this piece, and this piece, and then the side one, yeah, the side one. They only need to make, so I didn't do those. Yes, and that's all, that's it, okay, so we're gonna, yes, that's it. Yeah, so. That's it. We are slow, we're actually so slow.
We're not slow.
We're actually.
We are one of the fastest teams in Canada right now.
Yes.
Team Dave is still reading the rules. They haven't actually started building.
I don't even know what the rules are.
Exactly. We don't need to know what the rules are. Pick ring up, score ring in impossible chamber. Get right angle good equals win, I think.
How powerful is our shooter?
We'll find out. 2 Neos probably. All right, I think I'm gonna end the stream unless you guys want to talk to the camera at all.
Bye. See you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow at noon.
At noon. It's Allison. See you guys. Have a good night. How's your dream?
Bye, check. Check still watching.
I literally don't know. Let's find out.
Oh, we can
Find
check.
out. How do I find out?
I don't, are you able to?
Bye,
It
guys.
says
Thanks for
one
watching.
viewer. It does not say who that viewer is. Goodbye to the one viewer. Yeah, let's assume it's Jack or Martin. Anyways, goodbye.
Who are you?